Freddie Highmore as Norman Bates icon, Anthony Perkins.
Freddie Highmore as Norman Bates icon, Anthony Perkins.
Daniel Craig as James Bond icon, Sean Connery. Zachary Quinto as Spock icon, Leonard Nimoy.
Zachary Quinto as Spock icon, Leonard Nimoy.
Tom Hardy as Max Rockatansky icon, Mel Gibson. Tom Hardy as Max Rockatansky icon, Mel Gibson. George Clooney as Danny Ocean icon, Frank Sinatra. Mads Mikkelsen as Hannibal Lecter icon, Anthony Hopkins. Robert De Niro as Max Cady icon, Robert Mitchum.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.